Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you how I generated a passive income of $7,000 daily through 8 income streams at a young age. Embrace the power of passive income today and unlock a world of financial freedom that knows no bounds. And if you want more useful ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. In the quest for financial independence and the potential to produce passive income, one's age should not be a barrier. It doesn't matter if you're a young entrepreneur eager to protect your future or an experienced individual trying to diversify your income sources. Passive income presents an exciting opportunity to build wealth with relatively little effort on your part. Now, I'll walk you through the 8 income streams I use to achieve this financial abundance. The first one is ad revenue. Publishers and content providers make money through ads. Advertisers pay to show their adverts to a particular demographic, and the content creator or publisher earns a percentage. Ad revenue can be obtained through websites, blogs, social media platforms, mobile applications, and YouTube channels. Ad revenue earned depends on factors like the number of ad impressions, click-through rates, ad formats, and the advertiser's bid for ad placement. Content creators and publishers often partner with advertising networks or platforms which facilitate placing ads and providing revenue tracking and payment services. Ad revenue can be a significant source of income for individuals or businesses that have a substantial online presence and attract a large audience. It's important to note that earning ad revenue requires compliance with advertising policies, providing quality content, and adhering to the guidelines set by the advertising platforms. Additionally, the level of ad revenue can vary widely depending on factors like niche, audience engagement, and overall traffic. The second income stream is YouTube ad revenue. YouTube can be a lucrative platform for generating revenue through various monetization methods. As a content creator on YouTube, you can earn money based on the popularity of engagement of your videos. Aside from ad revenue, YouTube has other revenue streams besides ads. Channel memberships allow viewers to pay monthly for unique benefits. This generates recurrent income. Super Chat and Super Stickers let viewers buy highlighted words or animated stickers during live streams, directly supporting you. YouTube Premium subscribers who watch your material produce revenue, which you can split. And finally, brand sponsorships and deals. Your videos can promote their products or services, earning you money. It's important to note that building a successful YouTube channel takes time, consistency, and quality content. Growing your subscriber base and increasing engagement are crucial factors in maximizing your revenue potential on YouTube. The third income stream is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful revenue-generating strategy where you can earn a commission by promoting and selling products or services on behalf of a merchant or company. As an affiliate marketer, you can join affiliate programs, receive unique tracking links, and incorporate them into your content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts. When your audience clicks on your affiliate links and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale as a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its passive income potential. Once we've set up your affiliate links and created compelling content, you can earn commissions even when you're not actively promoting. Successful affiliate marketers focus on building trust with their audience, providing valuable information and recommendations, and strategically choosing products or services that align with their niche. It's essential to disclose your affiliate partnerships transparently and ethically, ensuring your audience understands when you'll receive a commission from their purchases. With dedication, strategic promotion, and a strong connection with your audience, affiliate marketing can become a lucrative source of passive income. The fourth income stream is digital products. Digital products offer an excellent opportunity to generate passive income by leveraging your skills, knowledge, and creativity. These intangible products can be easily created and distributed online, allowing you to earn money while you sleep. Popular options include ebooks, online courses, stock photos, graphics, music, audio products, and software/mobile apps. Once created and distributed online, these products generate income without ongoing effort. They allow you to monetize your expertise and assets, creating scalable revenue streams. While the initial effort may involve developing and marketing your digital products, once they are available for purchase, you can continue earning revenue without significant ongoing work. With proper promotion and quality offerings, digital products can become a profitable and scalable source of passive income. The fifth income stream is selling high-ticket products. Selling high-ticket items can yield big profits and passive income. High-ticket products and services provide customers great value. Selling high-ticket items to generate passive income requires multiple stages. First, find a niche with high demand, growth potential, high-ticket items. Next, choose high-value products that solve your audience's most significant needs. Sharing good material and becoming an expert in your niche builds trust and authority. Use lead generation and landing pages to create a sales funnel that guides customers to buy. Customer satisfaction and favorable evaluations depend on excellent service. To reach more people, consider affiliate marketing with industry leaders. E-commerce, payment gateways, and automated systems automate sales and delivery. Finally, optimize revenue by upselling and cross-selling existing clients, high-ticket items, and supplementary services. Selling expensive products involves market research, thoughtful positioning, and successful marketing. After building your brand and sales channels, you can earn passive revenue when clients buy your high-value products. The sixth income stream is Instagram. Instagram is a powerful platform that offers various opportunities to generate income and create passive revenue streams. Leveraging Instagram for financial gains involves several strategies. First, become an influencer in your niche and collaborate with brands for sponsored content and affiliate marketing. You can also earn money through sponsored posts featuring products from brands. Utilize affiliate marketing by sharing affiliate links in your bio or captions to earn commissions on product sales. Sell digital or physical products directly on Instagram, showcasing them through visually appealing posts and using shopping features. Engage with your audience through Instagram Live and IGTV, which can lead to sponsored live streams or monetization opportunities. Consider brand ambassadorships for long-term partnerships with brands. Offer digital services and use Instagram to showcase your expertise and attract clients. Lastly, if you have a business, utilize Instagram's shopping features to create a seamless shopping experience for your followers. Remember to create high-quality, engaging content, engage with your audience, and stay consistent with your posting strategy. Building a solid presence on Instagram takes time and effort. Still, with dedication and a well-executed plan, you can turn your Instagram account into a valuable source of passive income. The seventh income stream is dividend income. Dividend income is a popular and effective way to generate passive income by investing in dividend-paying stocks or funds. You can invest in dividend-paying stocks or dividend-focused funds like ETFs or mutual funds to generate passive income from dividends. Research and select established companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. Diversify your investments across different sectors to reduce risk. Holding onto these investments for the long term can provide a steady income stream and potential capital appreciation. Look for companies with a track record of increasing dividend payments over time. Be aware of the tax implications and consider consulting a tax professional to optimize your tax efficiency. Dividend income provides an opportunity to earn passive income while participating in the growth of established companies. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research, assess the financial health of the companies or funds, and understand the risks associated with investing in the stock market. And the last one on the list is interest income. Interest is passive income you can earn by lending money to individuals, businesses, or financial institutions. Interest income can be earned through various avenues, One option is depositing money into a savings account where the bank or credit union pays you interest based on your deposited amount. Bonds are another avenue for interest income as you lend money to governments, municipalities, or corporations and receive periodic interest payments. Money market accounts provide higher interest rates than regular savings accounts and may offer additional features like check writing privileges. High-yield savings accounts, available at some banks and online institutions, offer higher interest rates than traditional ones, often with specific requirements or conditions. These options allow you to earn interest income on your deposited funds. It's essential to consider the risks associated with interest income, such as the possibility of default or fluctuations in interest rates. Additionally, interest income may be subject to taxes, so it's advisable to consult with a tax professional to understand the tax implications of your interest earnings. By diversifying your income streams and harnessing the power of technology and online platforms, you can create a sustainable and scalable source of passive income. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and dedication. It requires learning, adapting, and staying consistent in your pursuits. So, don't settle for a single paycheck or rely solely on traditional income sources. Take the leap and embrace the world of passive income. Start today and pave the way to financial freedom and a life where your money works for you. The possibilities are endless. Begin your journey now and the rewards are yours to reap. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and exciting. You can now harness the power of passive income to create a secure financial future where your money grows effortlessly and grants you the freedom to pursue your dreams. Take control of your financial destiny and embark on a wealth accumulation journey through the abundance of passive income opportunities available. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around and we'll see you in the next one.